Here is a very quick look at the M45 from Miter Machine. This machine is a 208 to 230 volt, 3-phase, does require compressed air. It is a 2018 model, still looks like new. It's got the very easy to use touchscreen, and we're going to go ahead and turn it on and run a quick sample part now. And we don't have the exact size of material required for this program, but this just gives you an idea of this machine and how it functions and that everything is firing and working. This machine is available for inspection in our showroom. Please contact us with any questions. Thanks for watching.